The studio version of Nostalgia's Lies by Sam Fender is played in E flat standard tuning, with the live version a further half step down. We're going to be looking at this song here in standard tuning, so you don't have to detune to learn the song. For the intro, we're going to start off with a picking pattern based around a D major chord. First finger, second fret at the G, third finger, third fret at the B, and the second finger on the high E string at the second fret. We're going to pick G, B, E, B. And we'll just pick that twice. We're then going to go to a D sus2 chord by taking off the second finger and leaving the high E string open, and the picking pattern is exactly the same again. So we play the D twice, D sus2 twice, and repeat. Then we go to a G major chord. We've got a full voicing here. We've got the second finger, third fret, the low E, first finger, second fret, the A string. We've got the third finger on the third fret, the B, and the high E string at the third fret with the pinky finger. And the picking is low E, B, E, B. I'm just going to pick this once. We're then going to move to our D chord again, but this time we're going to grab the second fret on the low E string with the thumb. So we've got 2 on the low E string, and we're going to pick B, E, B. Just once again. So we've got the G chord picked once, E, B, to the F sharp over D, E, B, E, B. Then we're going to go to the open low E string, keeping the other fingers where they are. Open E, B, twice this time. So the G, D with the F sharp, and E. Then we're going to go to an A sus4 chord. We've got third finger, third fret at the B, first finger, second fret at the D, and second finger, second fret of the G string. This time we're going to pick A, B, E, B, but 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole kind of intro picking. So the D sus2, repeated. Then we go to our G chord once, the D with the F sharp in the bass, the low E string, and then to the A sus4 chord, 4 times. The second time through the picking pattern, a strumming pattern comes in on a second guitar. It's based around a D chord, and there's a little down up to start with. Down up, really quick. And then we're going to strum down in 8th notes, down 2 and 3 and 4. So. Then go to our D sus2 chord. Down in 8th notes until the last 2 notes. And so the D chord, down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D sus2, and a D sus2, and then we go to a G chord, 4 down strums, then to the D with the F sharp in the bass, 4 down strums, to the E minor 7 chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and A sus4, 2 bars, finishing off with that and a down up strum and the last beat there. So the whole thing starts off in the D, D sus2, D sus2, G, D with the F sharp in the bass, E minor 7 to the A sus4 for 2 bars before we go into the verse with a new strumming pattern. So it sounds like this. Once we're into the verse, the chords stay exactly the same, just the strumming pattern changes. So the strumming pattern in the verse is the D chord, down, down, up, down, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. We go to D sus2, same strumming. Back to the D, same strumming. D sus2. I'm going to go go to the G chord and we'll play down, down, up, D over the F sharp in the bass, down, down, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the E minor 7, down, down, up, down, A sus4, same strumming, 2 bars. The whole thing is the D chord, D sus2, repeat, G, D of the F sharp, E minor, A sus4, and play on repeat. The chorus uses exactly the same chords, just in a different order. We're going to start off with an E minor 7 chord, and we'll strum it in exactly the same way as well. Down, down, up, down, up, for 1 bar, to an A sus4, down, down, up, down, up, again 1 bar. Then we're going to play D, down, down, up, add the F sharp in for the second half of that bar, down, down, to a G, down, down, up, back to the D with the F sharp in the bass, down, down, and we'll repeat this. So we have the E minor, A sus4, D, F sharp, G, D with the F sharp, E minor, A sus4, D with the F sharp, G, D with the F sharp, finishing off E minor 7, A sus4. And then we go back through a little link section which is based around the D, going to D sus2, D sus2, before we start the second verse. There's also a mid-8 section towards the end of the song which adds 1 new chord. It starts off with a D chord and we're strumming down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then we're going to go to a C add 9, which is like the G chord we played before, but with each of the fingers down a string set. So second finger on the 3rd fret of the A, and the first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and we'll be strumming down, down, up, down, up for 2 bars. Moving up to that G chord we just mentioned, down, down, up, down, 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 down. So that just happens once. So it's D, C add 9, to a G chord, and then we're going to play this little kind of chord progression on repeat 4 times. It goes E minor, down, down, D with the F sharp, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, A sus4, down, down. For more Sam Fender guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.